Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CID in Anime Vanguards. CID is a powerful secret unit known for his adaptability and high damage output. Understanding his two forms and their unique abilities is key to dominating the battlefield. We'll cover how to effectively deploy him, utilize his swap mechanic, and maximize his impact in various game modes. Get ready to unleash CID's full potential. CID's first form, John Smith, is your go-to for boss battles. He delivers a massive 600% damage boost on his next attack to the highest health enemy. Plus, he's immune to debuffs, ensuring his attacks always hit hard. This form also deals more damage as the enemy's health decreases, making him an excellent finisher for tough opponents. When you switch to Lord of the Shadows, CID unleashes a powerful area of effect attack, dealing 150% of his damage to all nearby enemies. This form also gains damage and range buffs with each takedown, up to 100% damage and 50% range. It's perfect for clearing large groups and controlling the map, especially with a 30% range buff on activation. For optimal use, deploy CID early to start accumulating his buffs. Switch to John Smith when a boss appears to maximize single-target damage, then swap to Lord of the Shadows for efficient wave clearing. Remember, each swap provides immediate area of effect damage and buffs, so time your switches strategically. Pairing CID with support units can further enhance his already impressive combat capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.